Hello, in this video I'm going to show how you can blur in Capcut. So first, if you want to blur like the full footage, you can just click on this and make sure you're in effects, and then type in blur. As you can see, there's the blur here. You can just drag that onto the footage and now it's blurred. And then here you can adjust how blurred it is, and basically this here adjusts like where the blur is and like how far it stretches on the footage. As you can see here, it stops after this. So yeah, you could just play around with that. And let's say it's deselected now. If you want to go back into the blur settings, you can just click on this, and then you'll have the option again. And then if you want to delete the blur, you can just click on this and then delete it. Now if you want to blur like a certain part of this, you can create like another version of this. So you just copy it and paste it, then you have another one here. Then what you have to do is you go to mask and then rectangle or whatever shape you want. You can adjust like the size of this, move it wherever you want. And then after that, again, make sure you're in blur here. Just drag it here. As you can see, this part is blurred. So if you want to go into the blur settings again, you just click on this again. Make sure you're in basic. Then yeah, you could just adjust this. And of course you could delete it here. Just click backspace. So yeah, that's about it for now. I hope you learned something in this video, and thanks for watching.